Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Surfer SEO AI content briefs using Google Search Console step by step clearly. To enable Surfer SEO AI content briefs using Google Search Console, start by logging into your Google Search Console account. Navigate to the property for the website you want to optimize. Once you're in your property, click on the Performance tab on the left sidebar. Review the performance data to identify which pages are underperforming or need optimization. Take note of the keywords related to these pages. Next, open a new tab and log into your Surfer SEO account. In Surfer SEO, go to the Content Editor section. Select Create New Content Brief from the options available. You will now be prompted to enter your target keyword. Input the keyword you identified from Google Search Console. Surfer SEO will generate a preliminary content brief based on this keyword. To enhance this brief, click on the Integrate with Google Search Console option. This feature allows Surfer SEO to pull in data directly from your Google Search Console account. Authorize the connection between Surfer SEO and Google Search Console if it's your first time using this feature. Once connected, Surfer SEO will display additional insights from your Google Search Console data. Review the suggestions provided by Surfer SEO to maximize optimization potential. You can refine your content brief by utilizing the metrics such as clicks, impressions, and average position from Google Search Console. Finally, save your content brief and proceed to create or optimize your content based on the insights gathered. This will enhance your chances of ranking higher in search results and attracting more organic traffic. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.